How are you, ma'am?
I'm doing fantastic. Fresh is a flower. Thank you for asking, ma'am. And tell me, how about you? Are you okay? And how life treating you so far?
Yeah, I'm fantastic. I'm doing fantastic. My life is going amazing. So I am as fit as fiddle, ma'am. Thanks for asking.
Wow.
So how your day till now, ma'am?
My day has been so far very productive today. After long time today, I did 2-3 session in the afternoon because every single day I'm busy. Somehow I got the chance and I made productive today. So apart from there, yes, I spend my quality time with my families. So I would say it's very nice and productive today.
I glad to know about you and your day. It's going well. So very nice
Yes.
to hear you, ma'am. And I am very thankful to you also to accepting my request, and you
Mhm.
are connected with me this time. It's
Yeah.
good. I'm delighted to see you here, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, same
And
likewise, and thank you so much for having me here. And I have also, it's my privilege and it's my please. Like, what should I do? I'm speechless. I'm very happy, I would say.
okay, likewise, ma'am. Likewise.
Yes.
Okay, before jumping into the conversation, ma'am,
Mhm.
let's a little bit about you. Introduce yourself, please, or the in front of the audience, ma'am, please.
Sure, ma'am. So, my name is Malati, and I am connecting from Bangalore. If I talk about my education, I have completed my graduation in English literature. Nowadays, I'm homemaker, and apart from there, I'm a small YouTuber by the name of English with Malati, where I'm trying to uploading English-related conversation and solo and short video. So, yeah, it's pretty much about myself, ma'am.
Fantastic, fantastic, ma'am.
Yes.
And now my turn. I am Nilam Thingra. I am from Delhi. I had done my graduation, post graduation, B.Ed. Now I am an English teacher. And if I talk about my hobbies, I'm a Malifine person, avid reader, content writer, and I am, as you know, that we are YouTuber, and usually we upload the English content for ourselves, for English learners, for both of them. So that's a little bit nutshell introduction from my side, ma'am.
Yes, yes,
So
fantastic, fantastic, wonderful, ma'am. So, ma'am, for today's, do you have any topics for today's?
today, ma'am, because usually I see lot of our homemakers are so much in rush. They have the active schedule. At some time, the when they have hectic schedule, they are not getting the things properly according to their plan.
Yes.
So, what happened? What the reason? Suppose what they should do, like everything goes well
Mm-hmm.
because they planned a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes they plan, sometimes they some homemakers are not that in much in planning,
Mm-hmm.
and they wondering like the headless chicken here and there.
Yes.
And but after the whole, after having long day, they feel that they are not, their days not went productive.
Yes.
So how they manage their self? But you think there is any problem with the time management, or the any problem with their mindsets?
According to me, definitely, if you have a desire, okay, if you have burning desire, anyhow you can manage. Yes, I can understand who are belong to very, joint family where so many family member are there and all there is no helping hand, right? One ladies who are housewives, she has to manage all the household chores, children, relatives, and laws. In that condition, I totally resorted because I am also coming from that situation, that environment. Now I'm okay, I'm in nuclear family, that's why more time I can get. Otherwise, earlier same situation I had. Okay, so that's why I can't reject and I can't say no, no, I anyhow we have to, not like that, because there are so many tasks in our plates. Okay, but the thing is, yes, along with those work, if you have desire, anyhow you have to make time. Otherwise, that work in entire till our last breath, they're not going to finish, right? Daily basis, same work, same task, and our desire, our interest, our need, all the things will be spoiled, right? So My suggestion and my opinion, I would say yes, those work are there. If there are, you are living in a joint family, you can politely ask to them for help, because you can't do all things for a whole day, right? You also need a rest, you also need some interested things, you have also desire, you have also interest, right? And if you are doing such kind of work alone, if you feel stress and you will get anxiety and so many things, right? Because of your mind all will be anytime distract, because of you think you have a one kind of desire, one kind of interest you are not going to fulfill, you are indulging your household source, right? So that's why you should ask politely and good mannerly with family member for helping. Okay. And as well as you can little bit focus about time management also. According, you should make plan, you should make routine. For example, if I'm daily basis, if I'm wake up in the morning 7 o'clock, otherwise 6 o'clock, we should go bed little early, try to wake up little early, 1 hour, 1.5 hour early. If we can wake up, then we try to finish our work, and then we can continue our whatever desire. And I'm not telling drastically full days, 4 hour, 5 hour, you have to, not like that, at least 30 minutes, 40 minutes, how much time you can manage. If that much time you can give, yes, you can fulfill, but consistency should be very crucial part. Not only one day, 2 day, 1 month, 2 month, you have to go likewise consistently. And yes, I would say you can manage your timing. But the thing is, you should not think about I don't have a time, I can't get time. If you are thinking, it's not going to miracle. Okay. Only you are only one person who can manage your time, and who can continue your whatever desire, right? And so that's how you have to do, I think, as far as I know. What's about your opinion, ma'am?
Yeah, yes, you are absolutely right. I'm resonant with you, ma'am. If we go for the time planning, it's the best for us. In the
Yes.
morning, when we kickstart our day, it's a
Mhm.
good to plan that time.
Yes.
While taking morning tea or while browsing the phone in the morning, we are a
Mhm.
little fresh, more fresh. I think I would say we are more fresh than the whole day. So
Mhm.
where that is a good time to plan and list up everything what you want to do in the whole day.
Yes.
So if by the way, if we make the plan and we can say that it is a time management, and by this way we can get the things, everything according to our plan.
Yes.
So it's happened if we try.
Yes.
We can't say that there is no time.
Yes.
If we go with the strictness and the discipline, that time is there. But
Mhm.
when we don't value the time, it's happened, time skip, times fly, and we regret
Yes.
after that.
Yes.
So we, yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, and I would like to incorporate one thing. So, nowadays people and ladies, gents who are housewife, who are unemployed person, they are spending lot of time for social media, right? Better will be in that time if you using for some particular skill. Okay, after accomplish your household chores, after accomplish your other tasks, whenever you are spending hourly time for social media, at least you can give for some skills, right? So then in future, today maybe you will not get result instantly, but in future you will get positive result, I would say.
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely right. I concur with you because skill is always will remain with you. Because
Yes.
time flies, your gossip will away after away, but after only skill will remain with you. It's
Yes.
always within you, and you can take the advantage of skill any in the rainy days. In the
Yes.
rainy day, so skill always go for the skill. If
Mhm.
you have to want to polish any your skill, your skill, so you go for that.
Yes.
Don't waste your time on social media and gossips. It's not a good habit, and it's not a it's also a personality also when we are wasting our time like here and there and
Mhm.
puffing out here and there without any aim and any deciding something, and we are just wasting draining our time. It's not good. It's
Mhm.
not suits to our personality. So
Yes.
we should always go for the skill. It's
Mhm.
good. And when we have skill, naturally, no matter when we feel that we can utilize this skill.
Yes.
So it doesn't mean you have still you have to go out, you have to step out for the work. No, but don't waste time. Always utilize your time. Time is precious. Like we can't say there's a matchless.
Yes. Yes. Exactly.
So, yes, ma'am. So sometime what happened, ma'am? Even we are also go the for the planning,
Mm-hmm.
good time management in the early morning. But
Mm-hmm.
what happens? Some things and some things not going well according to us, and our day someday is not going productive. In the evening, we felt that we are doing nothing, and sometimes we feel low because of the things are not going to according to us. Then
Yes.
how we manage, how we think, how we get courage to again to focus next work.
Okay, definitely, it's very good question. If, for example, sometime it's happened to everyone. Okay, sometime our day will be not productive. How much we are thinking early morning, so we have one plan, right? And that according to that plan, it's that day is not going, or that day is not going fulfill whatever we are thinking. End of the time, rest of the time in the night time. Otherwise, end of the time we feel sluggish, we feel monotonous, we feel, oh my god, today I couldn't do, otherwise last day, otherwise from so many days I'm not able to do anything for productive. What am I supposed to do, like that? Such kind of feeling it's come. Nobody going to push you and motivate you. Just you have to motivate from yourself. Okay, let bygone be bygone, जो हो गया सो हो गया. But from tomorrow I have to think little differently, and I have to go positive mindset. We should be anytime optimistic, not a pessimistic. Okay, we should not be monotonous. We have to do our work in a positive ways, and next day we should make some plan. Okay, early morning I should wake up, I do yoga, meditation, whatever, like that, because of our mind purpose, right? And then after completed our those activities, then we can go productive way. If you are housewife, likewise household chores. But plan and your routine should be crucial part, and we should follow, not for one day, 2 day, 1 week, 2 months, not like that. You should follow according to you. And as you already told, if that days or some couple of days not become productive, you should consider, not only you are only one person who are getting failure, you can say, not success. Don't think every person, so many people are facing such kind of problem. But we should not hopeless in that condition. We have to follow consistency and what our desire. We have some kind of desire, na? So we should follow consistency, and we shouldn't accept the result instant. Every result which is very good result, it will take time, we have to consider, right? And maybe it will take time, but we have to follow. We have to do hard work as well as consistency, we should follow. And anytime be positive, I would say. If you become negative and pessimistic, you can't get your achievement in your entire life. You should be optimistic and positive. Then sooner or later you will get whatever you want. Definitely you will get, I would say.
Very true, ma'am. Very insightful opinions and perspective. Really, I appreciate, ma'am. And really, it's happened, but sometime, not many time, it's happened with the so many homemakers, so many person.
Mhm.
They whether they are in the field work field, and they whether the student.
Mhm.
Sometimes things are not going to according to us because it's life. It's life. It's a roller coaster. Everything is not according, and everything is not a, like a roses of bed. Life
Yes,
is not like a rose of bed. We sometimes it's up and down. We have to face with calmly, composedly, and patiently. So if
exactly.
we disturb ourselves, we are taking stress. We are not going productive. So rest of the day will also go unproductive because
Yes.
we lose our hope. We lose self belief. We
Mhm.
become negative person immediate for the time being. So we should
Mhm.
not go like this. If there is anything wrong, no matter, next day is there. We can settle everything for the next day. And
Yes.
sometimes it's happen, it's our mindset. already
Mhm.
planned this thing. Sometimes the things is not going to according us. So
Mhm.
beside, you have set the mindset
Mhm.
beforehand that
Yes.
it can be do like it can be go like this. So we should not be give our hope. We should
Yes.
not give up, and we
Mhm.
should stay always positive with positive vibes are full of wins. So no
Yes.
matter if the thing is not going well, so what happened? So
Yes.
nothing going to harm. It a
Yes.
little bit some hours went in vain, but
Mhm.
there is so many hours, so many futures, so many days in front of us. So we
Mhm.
can catch this day. If we lose our hope, it can be it can be kill our other days. So
Yes.
it's better not to lose heart. It's better
Yes.
not to give up. Don't too much overthink over the horse the hours the
Mhm.
went unproductive. So no matter, go
Yes.
for the future and with positive vibes, the full of being, right, man? So
Exactly, 100%. It's optimistic, whatever you are saying. It totally, I resonate with you. So, likewise, we have to do hard work, but we shouldn't consider if I'm starting some work, anyhow, 100% I will be successful. So many things, so many times we have to face failure also, right?
yeah,
In that time, also, we should not be hopeless. We try to, this is my experience. From mistakes, we have to improve a lot, right? Ahead, I have to do so many things. So from mistakes and from failure we can learn some experience, we can get some idea, and next time we will be more careful, and we have to go by the very carefully and more consistency. Then only we can reach our goals and whatever like that, right?
right, man, right. Beautiful and wonderful standpoint, man. Ma'am, this is for every person, not for homemakers. The student also, for the other person who is in working, and because time management is very important.
Very
And
important.
if there is time is not yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes, yes, continue,
you
continue.
wanted to add something.
No, 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 continue. Hmm.
So if there is anything, you can adjust yourself and stay positive, stay motivated, stay full
Hmm.
of beans with
Hmm.
the good vibes. So really, it's a very nice standpoint, ma'am, and insightful session we had, and it's good for the every person who is listening this video. Maybe it's good and workful and worthful,
Yes,
worthwhile for every person. So
exactly.
really, it's worth for if they focus these standpoints and opinion, ma'am. Thanks you for ma'am. With me, connecting with me, and giving your so much nice points, ma'am. Thank you,
Like
ma'am.
vibes is mutual, and as well as I would say it was very nice talking to you. I thoroughly enjoy, and I also learned so many things from you, and I hope in future also again we will connect. And thank you so much for once again having me here. Thank you so much,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am. Thank you. You are welcome, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Bye.